Welcome to our video on millionaire investment secrets. We're thrilled to have you here. Have you ever wondered how millionaires invest their money? Now you've stepped into the intriguing realm of millionaire investment secrets. Today, we'll be peeling back the curtain on the tactics and strategies used by self-made millionaires to amplify their wealth. We'll delve into the mindset that fuels their success, shedding light on how they think, plan, and act when it comes to their investments. This exploration won't just stop at the psychological aspect. We'll also unveil the specific strategies that millionaires employ to identify and seize profitable opportunities. Whether you're at the beginning of your investment journey or seeking to elevate your existing portfolio, the insights we'll share today offer immense value. From understanding the power of diversification, to mastering the art of passive income and the importance of regular investment reviews, we'll guide you through it all. So are you ready to step into the world of millionaire investing? Let's dive in and uncover these secrets, shall we? First and foremost, successful investing starts with the right mindset. Remember, the mindset of a millionaire is not crafted overnight. It's a product of discipline, patience, and an unwavering focus on long-term goals. Yes, the glitz and glamour of quick money can be enticing, but millionaires know that the path to sustainable wealth is through consistent, smart investments. Long-term perspective is crucial. Millionaires understand that the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint but a marathon. They are not perturbed by short-term market fluctuations or temporary losses. Instead, they see the bigger picture, focusing on the potential growth of their investments over the years and even decades. To them, time is an ally, not an enemy. Discipline, too, plays a significant role. Millionaires don't let the fear of missing out drive their investment decisions. They avoid jumping on the latest investment bandwagon just because it's trending. Instead, they stick to their investment plans, make calculated decisions, and resist the urge to constantly buy and sell. This disciplined approach helps them avoid common investment pitfalls and stay on track toward their financial goals. And let's not forget about emotional resilience. The world of investing is filled with ups and downs. It's easy to get swayed by emotions, especially during market downturns. But millionaires know better. They remain calm during turbulent times, making rational decisions based on facts, not feelings. They understand that emotions and investing make a bad mix. Lastly, millionaires see investments as a means to an end, not an end in themselves. To them, investing is not just about making money, it's about achieving financial goals, whether it's buying a dream home, securing a comfortable retirement, or leaving a legacy for their loved ones. They use their investments as tools to build the life they want. So cultivating the right mindset is the first step towards investing like a millionaire. And remember, this mindset isn't exclusive to those with 7 figures in the bank. It's accessible to anyone who's willing to embrace it. So are you ready to think like a millionaire? Now, let's talk about one of the most important investment strategies: diversification. Picture for a moment a juggler with multiple balls in the air. Each ball represents a different investment, and the juggler is you, the investor. The aim is to keep all the balls in the air, and in the world of investing, this is achieved through diversification. So what is diversification? Well, it's not putting all your wealth in one place. Instead, it's spreading it across a variety of investments. This could mean different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities. Why is diversification crucial? It's simple. When you diversify, you reduce your risk. If one investment doesn't perform as well, you have others that might be doing just fine. It's akin to not putting all your eggs in one basket. Now, self-made millionaires understand this principle very well. They don't just invest in one company or one industry. They spread their investments across different sectors, from technology to healthcare, from consumer goods to energy. They understand that each industry has its own cycle, and what's down today might be up tomorrow. But diversification doesn't stop at industries. Millionaires also diversify across geographical regions. The reason? Different countries and regions have different economic cycles. While one economy might be slowing down, another might be picking up. By investing globally, they are able to take advantage of these cycles. Now, diversification might seem like a complex task, but it doesn't have to be. With the availability of mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, even beginner investors can easily diversify their portfolio. However, a word of caution: diversification doesn't mean you should invest in something you don't understand just for the sake of spreading your investments. Always do your research and understand what you're investing in. In conclusion, diversification is an essential strategy used by millionaires to manage risk and maximize returns. It ensures that no single investment can make or break your portfolio. Remember, put not all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is the key to reducing risk. Ever wondered how millionaires seem to make money even when they're not working? Welcome to the world of passive income. Passive income is like the secret sauce in the recipe of wealth creation. It's money earned with minimal to no effort on your part once the initial work has been done. It's the dream, right? Earning while you're sleeping, vacationing, or simply lounging around. But how does it work, and more importantly, how can you make it work for you? Well, let's start by understanding that passive income is often generated through smart investments. This is where you put your money to work for you, instead of you working for your money. Imagine real estate, for instance. You buy a property, rent it out, and voila, you have a steady stream of income without having to clock in 9 to 5. Or consider dividend stocks. You invest in a company's stock, and when that company turns a profit, you get a cut in the form of dividends. It's like planting a seed and then reaping the fruits over and over again, without having to plant new seeds each time. You do the work once and then the money keeps rolling in. But remember, not all passive income streams are created equal. Some require a significant upfront investment, like buying a rental property or a large portfolio of stocks. Others may need a lot of time and effort to set up, like writing a book or creating a successful blog. The key is to choose the right mix of passive income streams that align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and personal interests. Think of it as creating a symphony of income streams that work together to provide a steady, reliable cash flow. With passive income, you're not just earning money, you're building wealth. And the best part, it's a strategy that doesn't discriminate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, passive income can help you grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Passive income is a powerful tool in a millionaire's investment arsenal. It's money that works for you, even when you don't. Investing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. Millionaires regularly review their investments. Now you may wonder why. Isn't the point of investing to let your money work for you over time? Well, yes, but even the best-laid plans can go astray. The market is ever-changing, influenced by a myriad of factors from economic indicators to geopolitical events. An investment that looked promising a year ago may not be performing as well now. That's where regular investment reviews come in. Imagine your portfolio as a garden. You wouldn't just plant some seeds and then forget about them, would you? No, you'd water them, prune them, and maybe even move them to a better spot if they're not thriving. The same goes for your investments. Regular reviews are like checkups for your portfolio. They allow you to identify underperforming assets and take corrective action. Maybe you need to sell off a stock that's not doing well, or maybe you need to invest more in a sector that's booming. Either way, you won't know unless you take the time to review your investments. These reviews can also help you keep your portfolio balanced. The value of your different assets will change over time, and you might find that you're now too heavily invested in one area. Regular reviews allow you to rebalance your portfolio, selling off some assets and buying others to maintain a healthy mix. And here's the kicker. Millionaires don't just review their investments themselves. They also seek the advice of financial advisors, leveraging their expertise to make informed decisions. They understand that investing is not a solitary pursuit, but a collaborative effort. Remember, even the most successful investors didn't get where they are by being passive. They took an active role in managing their investments, regularly reviewing and adjusting their strategy to keep pace with the ever-changing market landscape. Regular reviews keep your investments on track and your portfolio balanced. So make it a habit to review your investments regularly. It's not about making drastic changes every time, but about staying informed and making small adjustments as needed, just like a millionaire investor would do. Investing like a millionaire may seem daunting, but remember, every millionaire started somewhere. We've taken a deep dive into the world of millionaire investment secrets, and here's what we've learned. Firstly, cultivating the right mindset is crucial. Successful investors approach the market with confidence, patience, and a hunger for knowledge. They're not afraid of risks, but they never gamble. Every decision is calculated and informed. Secondly, diversification is key. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket and spreading out your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and increase potential returns. Then, we've learned about the power of passive income. It's about making your money work for you, even while you sleep. Lastly, regular investment reviews are vital. It's about staying on top of your portfolio, adjusting as necessary, and keeping your investment goals in check. Start applying these strategies today, and who knows, you might just be the next self-made millionaire. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this.